Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saif Binti Mohamad. My matric number 1171985, and now I'm going to present my proposal entitled Marital Problem Among Muslim Women based on KRT FB Page, double-dotted solution from Quranic Perspective. Here we go. In this presentation, I'm going to elaborate 3 chapters, which is contain introduction, literature review, and methodology. For introduction, it consists 6 parts, which is research background, research problem, research objective, research question, research scope, and significance of the research. Research background. Marriage. When we talk about marriage, everyone will excited, especially women, because they will live with their partner. For Muslim, they follow the Sunnah, and of course, it's everyone's dream. But when someone's married, they should understand and have a trustworthy to their partner. They will have a lot of responsible to each other, and they need to know it. Having a problem in marriage is common, but they should know how to handle it. So in this research, the researcher will find out what are exactly the factors that can cause the problem in marital life based on KRT FB Page. Research problem. The problem is, firstly, the case of domestic violence and divorce increase almost every day, and during the duration of MCO, there are 353 cases were reported, and it's happened due to various factors. Besides, number 2 problem is when they are facing the marital problem, they are prefer to share on the social media instead of communicate with their partner. So from this problem, the researcher will find out and analyze what the issues that make the problem in marital life occur on the specific place and group. Research objective and question. For the research objective, it has 3 objectives. First, to identify the factor that cause a marital problem occur based on KRT FB Page. Second, to analyze the suitable solution to solve the marital problem according to the FB users' comment. Third, to recommend the best method and solution to overcome the marital problem according to the Quran and Sunnah perspective. Research scope. This research will base on the KRT FB Page and also focus on Muslim women problem. Significance of research. This research will give a benefit for reader, either for the married or unmarried one, because this research will give a teach and guide to handle a marital problem. Besides, this research also will explain about the awareness among Muslim women out there about the responsibilities once become one's wife, and lastly, we'll discuss about the exposure to all women towards the issue happen in marital life. For literature review, it consists 2 parts, which is first one is introduction of literature review. Secondly is a literature review that have been listed by the researcher. For the literature review, the researcher will list down the peer study toward the topic related to the research study, and there are many works that have been conducted in the field of marital problem issues. For literature review, I already put inside this video 15 previous studies which related with this title. Lastly is the most crucial part in the research, which is methodology. In methodology, it consists of 4 parts, which is introduction, research design, data collection, and data analysis. Introduction of methodology. Research methodology is a strategy or techniques that systematically used to identify and analyze the information and finally to solve the research problem. Its purpose is to simplify the researcher to gather a data and understand the details to describe about the process of the research. It contains the research design, the method and instrument used to collect the data, sample designs and analysis of collection data, also the tools used to analyze the data. For the research design, the researcher will use a qualitative research design based on the case study FB KRT Page. And what is the meaning of qualitative study? Qualitative is a research to find and give explanation and observation in form of non-numerical and unstructured data. Case study design is chosen because it is based on significant case that researcher will gather, which is through FB KRT Page. Data collection. The researcher will use a method of document analysis to collect the data, and by using the tool of the researcher itself. And for the research sample, it contains 3 samples. First, the factor that cause a marital problem occur based on KRT FB Page. Second, the suitable solution to solve the marital problem according to the FB user's comment. Third, the best method and solution to overcome marital problem according to the Quranic Perspective. Lastly is data analysis. Through this research, the issues in the KRT FB Page will be categorized in groups based on the factor. The data analysis will be involving thematic analysis, and the tool used to analyze the data is by manually from the researcher itself. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.